Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. I have a short one for you today. I'm showing you how I made a Halloween potion bottle. So I created this Halloween potion bottle for Halloween. I wanted to get this cookie cutter up on my site, but I am redoing my site, so my site is unfortunately down. But I do have a freebie for you to get the cookie template of this cookie, as well as some other Halloween cutters that I designed. So if you click the link in the description, it is a free download. So that way you can cut out the template and use it to hand cut your dough. So right here what I'm doing, I'm outlining and flooding the cookie with the same icing. The icing is thick enough to where I can outline and flood. And I don't want to over flood because I am going to do a wet on wet technique. So a wet on wet technique is when you add another icing into the layer of the icing that is wet. So that is wet on wet. So once it's dry, it's going to come all together. Now for the top of the bottle, I'm doing it in separate parts just so I can have some definition. And if you have not checked out my previous Halloween video, I show myself making a floral pumpkin as well as a floral skull cookie. I will link that above so you guys can check that out. So this was a pretty simple cookie to do. I'm just outlining and flooding pretty much with the same icing. The only icing I did have a different consistency, which was the orange icing, because that one I made really loose so I can flood like the whole pumpkin cookie. So I wanted to have a thicker icing so I can do the outline. So thanks for watching with me. I hope you made it to this point because you are the real MVP. So go ahead on and comment the word potion. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. I do have channel memberships and a Patreon as well. And my daughter, she made a potion bottle. She was like, "Mommy, you have to share this with everyone." So I hope you guys love her potion bottle and I will see you in the next one.